Good afternoon, dirt campers. This is the review of Singing Hills Campground in Cave City, Kentucky. So walking into the site, this is actually coming from the turnaround on the spot. On the campground here, this is a two-way road. You can see that the spots are really long in some areas. These are all the pull-through spots on the farther side of the field. Over there is kind of a large field for group camping. This is our spot right here, which I have to say I think is the best spot in the campground. And because it's got this nice large tree to provide shade for us, and it also has this nice large play area out front where we can really get to stretch out. It's nice for my 5-year-old daughter to play with. So you got the fire pit out front, and my husband relaxing out front as well. And every site's also got a picnic table as well. Not all sites are this large and have this much space. Some actually are quite in close together. The closer you get to the front of the campground, the tighter in the spots. Generally the rule of thumb is the farther away you get from the office, the larger the spots are. Over there where I'm pointing is the barn and where the dumpster is. Back where I came from, where the turnaround is where the dump station is. And this is about the extent of the campground from what you can see. It's pretty far from the main road, so you're not getting much road noise. And then there's just kind of private residence and a farm on the backside with some horses. So it's really kind of quiet and rural in this location. So that's it for Singing Hills. Thanks for watching.